What weather?
Hi guys! Today we are gonna build a snowman, and I and Natalia, the little vlogger. Show you how hard is it to get on the mountain.
Okay. Oh my gee.
Ah. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 ah.
Oh.
Hi guys, so I'm trying to get on the mountain. Ah, I'm sinking.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna sink in the sand. Sand tsunami.
And here's the daddy shoveling.
And guys, are
Yes.
you ready? It's gonna rain snow.
Ooh. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks like our winter now. We just had a strong snowstorm 2 days ago. Snow everywhere, and we're at the front today. We're shoveling. And what are you doing, Natalia?
We're making a snowman.
Oh, that's exciting.
Daddy's making a room and he's making a castle.
Oh, so that is helping you.
Hear me? It's a
So here's the builder.
hand. Yeah, yeah.
Because you can. You stay there.
So guys, so we're making this big snowman, and it's very hard to do. My hands are freezing. So you have to like scoop a little bit. Then like put it on the top and tap. Like that. My dad's helping me. Say hi. Say hi. So
I can help you too.
okay, so my mom's gonna help me out. Let's go have a trip on going to snow. When my parents do that. Ah! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Have big snow. I can put this in my collection. Oh, let's go! Okay, put it right there. Ta-na-na, ta-la-ga. Okay, so it's very cold. So, like, I'm gonna do it. We're we're gonna do this exact same
Oh.
as someone else. Ah!
She's building a cave too. What do you call that, Natalia? Snow cave?
No, you call it a penguin cave.
Penguin cave.
Just kidding. It's like ice. Not an iceberg.
Iceberg? Okay. What? Okay.
Iceberg. Oh my god, something.
What?
Okay, now we're gonna make.
So, how's your snowman there? Almost? Almost finished?
It's wet.
No, don't.
I'm gonna be the one who will
You a switch. You're the daddy shoveling and daddy the snowman the builder.
Actually, and me and my dad made this huge snowman. Look, see? Gonna make this look like a fat snowman. There's actually 2 levels. So, we need 1 more level, Daddy. Daddy, can I have that? Can I have that, Daddy? Can I have that? Okay, so guys, we're gonna pat this. And let's go! I fell! Ready?
What are you making in there, Natalia?
Making a glue for me.
Oh. Is that a snow cave?
Yeah, no, it's the iceberg. I guess.
Iceberg.
Just kidding,
Is that where the snow bear?
Egg glue, it's an egg glue. Igloo.
Oh, okay.
Egg glue. Where the penguin hides.
Oh, really?
And I'm a penguin.
You're a
So I
penguin now.
hide in the-
Okay. You sleep there, huh? Okay? Don't go inside the house. You stay there because you're now a penguin. Look, guys.
Help.
So deep.
Ow.
Wow. It looks like a snowman now. Almost done.
Does it really look like a snowman? Just a
So, we're here in Snowy Village.
I'm back and we're in the Snowy Village.
Snowy
Oh,
Village.
the back.
And what are you doing? You're busy?
Yeah, I'm busy and it's very hard to be.
You're busy building a snowman. So Natalia and Daddy are building the tallest snowman. How is it? Is that a tallest snowman, Natalia?
Yeah. Daddy. No. Red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you have ever saw him, make sure his nose will glow. Over on the Christmas time, will bring some joy and happiness. If you see them more than Santa, you will give a little kiss.
Wow.
Right after
The
the
red-nosed
red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you have ever saw him, make sure his nose will glow like a star in Christmas night. It will glow as soon, and everyone will have to go in to give a little kiss. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you have ever saw him, picture his nose will glow. More than just Christmas time, it's gonna make all the fun. And get some time to spend around, make some slides and make it fun.
Wow.
Reindeer had a very shiny nose. If you have ever saw him, make sure his nose will glow.
Wow.
Guys, so I made that song up. I just add a little bit like Rudolph.
Yeah.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, but I didn't do it right, so I just made it by myself.
That's a nice one, Natalia. You're now a composer then.
The actions were just nothing.
Ay, tripis na. Kumakapit sa
On my chair and
bali.
relax.
What?
Ano yung isa?
Oh. It looks like snowman now. It's like the snowman is getting angry.
Put that no. No, I blew very on top into V shape.
Okay.
Make a V shape like this.
Oh, it's getting beautiful now. Oh. What? Oh. Wow.
Let's do the other.
The candy cane.
I'm back now, and we're done the snowman. Let me show you.
Wow.
And
It's a good one,
guys,
Natalia.
let me show you what else we've been working on.
What's this?
My igloo. Look, guys. Look. Yeah.
Oh.
And here's the last thing. A chair. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Bye. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification and comment down below.
And
Bye.
they need to
And
share it too.
yeah, and share, and also notifications to all.
Yes. Okay.
Bye.
Frosty the snowman was a big round ball of snow with a great big smile and two big blue eyes and a nose made